Have you ever wondered what tiny creatures live in pond water, or what causes malaria? Today we explore Protoctista, a kingdom of fascinating organisms hiding all around us. Protoctista are eukaryotic organisms, meaning their cells have a true nucleus. Most are unicellular and live in water or moist places. They include two main groups, algae and protozoa. Algae are plant-like. They contain chlorophyll and make their own food by photosynthesis. Protozoa are animal-like. They cannot make food and must consume other organisms to survive. Algae have cell walls and chlorophyll like plants. Protozoa have no cell wall, no chlorophyll, and move using flagella, cilia, or pseudopodia. Both are eukaryotic and mostly aquatic. Meet amoeba, a protozoan living in fresh water. It has a nucleus, food vacuole, and contractile vacuole. It moves and feeds using pseudopodia, finger-like extensions of its cell. Amoeba feeds by phagocytosis, wrapping its pseudopodia around food. It reproduces asexually by binary fission, where one cell splits into two identical daughter cells. Now meet Plasmodium, the parasite that causes malaria. When an infected mosquito bites you, it injects sporozoites. These travel to your liver, multiply, then invade red blood cells. Plasmodium has two hosts, humans and mosquitoes. In humans, it reproduces asexually in the liver and blood. In mosquitoes, it reproduces sexually, completing its life cycle. Many students wrongly say malaria is caused by bacteria or a virus. Remember, Plasmodium is a protoctist, a eukaryotic single-celled parasite, not a bacterium or virus. Remember AP, algae photosynthesize, protozoa eat. Amoeba feeds by pseudopodia and divides by fission. Plasmodium needs two hosts and causes malaria. You've got this. Thanks for learning with us today. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make biology simple and fun. Visit ovasaabi.com to explore more topics.